Hey, good morning. Just thought I'd do a quick little review of this Cooper USB 120 volt outlet combination thing that I got. And I'll show you it plugged up here. So basically it's an outlet with USB plug in there. Just plug it in there and turns on the warp core generator light. It's essentially, this is what I put in. It has a 2.1 amp output on the USBs here. Levitron makes one with the USB ports on the sides here and has a higher output, and it has actually screw-in terminals here instead of these dangling wire pigtail that you have to use these deals on. I think that would be the better way to go. These work, and I paid $50 for two of them, and the specialized wall plates that come with them. You have to use the special wall plate. You just can't go down to Lowe's and get, one that fits that. So it's all right. This thing it works, but I would stay away from it. All right, later.